In the world of keyboards, the IBM Model M stands as a titan of unparalleled typing excellence. Introduced in 1985, this iconic keyboard became celebrated for its robust build and satisfying buckling spring keys, which provided a tactile and audible feedback cherished by typists. With a design so durable, you'd often find people using them decades later, leading to thriving communities dedicated to their preservation and restoration. Retro enthusiasts love how these mechanical wonders enhanced productivity, making typing more than just a task. It was an experience. Today, modern mechanical keyboards draw inspiration from the Model M, and enthusiasts hunt for original models, often refurbishing them to relive that distinctive typing bliss. Dive into the retro world, subscribe for more, and discover the tech that continues to echo through time.